Hi, friends. It is so nice to see you here. Wow, words really are everywhere. I love to collect them so I can connect to them. I wonder what today's special word is. Let's see. Gardening. Can you guess what that spells? Gardening. Let's say it together. Gardening. 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 Wow. When I say the word gardening, my body feels so many different feelings. I'm sure yours does too. I wonder why we feel those feelings. Let's connect to the word gardening. Hey, NoNo.
Hey, Oopa. I heard that today's word is gardening.
It is. Wow, words spread fast. What does the word gardening make you think about?
These delicious peppers.
Those peppers are really colorful. Where did you get them?
I grew them in my garden.
You grew them by yourself?
I did.
How?
Well, I found a sunny spot and I dug a hole and I planted these seeds. Just like these.
I can't even see them. Wait, these tiny seeds, check them out. These tiny seeds turn into those big peppers?
Yes, they do.
How?
Well, after they're planted, you have to water them for months. The sun does its job, and then before you know it, you'll have a pepper plant growing that has a lot of peppers on it.
Wow, that's a long time to wait though. Months?
Gardening takes patience, but in the end, you have delicious vegetables.
I love delicious vegetables. They're so crunchy and yummy. Okay, friends, now that we understand the word gardening in our minds, it's time to get up and connect the word gardening to our bodies. You ready? Come on, let's go. Okay, NoNo, you're gonna stand over here and I'm gonna stand over here. Okay, get to your spot. Now bring your arms out to the side. Make sure you have enough room. That's it, bring your arms down. Okay, stand up tall and let's take a deep breath in. Inhale and exhale. I'm gonna say the word gardening and repeat it after me. Gardening.
Gardening.
Okay, let's start by digging a hole. Dig a hole 3 times. Let's dig right there. That's a big hole. All right, dig. Okay, and now let's pretend to be a seed and let's jump into the hole. All right, let's plant 2 seeds in the hole. Jump into the hole again. Okay, sink down. You're getting cozy in the soil. Uh-oh, that's awesome. Starting to rain. Pitter patter. Yeah, that's it, NoNo. That's it, everyone. Okay, and now the sun is starting to come out. Okay, I'm starting to grow. I'm starting to grow like a tall plant. And now I'm growing into my vegetables. Okay, settle your arms down. You ready to do that again?
Sure.
Okay, let's take a deep breath in and exhale. I'm gonna say the word gardening and say it after me. Gardening.
Gardening.
Okay, let's say it louder, everyone. Gardening.
Gardening.
That's it. Okay, let's dig a hole. 3 times, dig. Uh-oh, dig a big hole here. I'm gonna plant some big plants this time. Okay, all right, now let's pretend to be a seed and jump into the hole. Jump in. Let's jump in again, 2 seeds. Okay, sink down. Bring your hips low. Okay, now it's starting to rain. Pitter patter, it's a thunderstorm. We're gonna get a lot of rain today. Okay, now the sun's starting to come out. I'm starting to grow. I'm growing a little taller, right? I'm growing into a tall plant. And now bring your arms out into a vegetable right there. Okay, settle your arms down. Okay, we're done. Come on, let's sit down. I pretended to be a pepper growing. Gardening is really fun.
It is. I enjoy gardening because I get to grow vegetables and share them with my friends, like you.
Thanks, NoNo. Thanks for connecting with me today.
Thank you, Oopa.
A R D E N I N G. Gardening. NoNo loves gardening. I can't wait to test the pepper he grew for me. Gardening takes a lot of patience. It was so fun moving myself like a little seed turning into a big, large plant. I wonder what gardening makes you think about. Thanks for connecting with me today. Bye.